You know what's funny? Me standing here pretending I'm some laughter expert. Honestly, my parents still think my best joke is when I say I'll study after 5 minutes. Anyway, today I'm here to talk about the power of laughter. And trust me, it's powerful. In fact, it's the only kind of power my parents don't complain about paying the bill for. They say humor is the best medicine. And it's true. Because if laughter was sold in a medical shop, my mom would still try to ask, Beta, do you have the generic version? A day without laughter is like a day without Wi Fi. Technically, you will survive. But why would you want to? You can call laughter the reset button of your soul. It's like that clear browsing history button. Very important if you don't want people to know you searched how to convince my teacher to postpone the test. And the best part, it's contagious. Not like homework, but like yawning. If one person starts, suddenly the whole group is giggling. Alright, let me tell you all a joke. Why did the bicycle fall over? Because it was too tired? Alright, here's another one. Which tables don't need math? Dinner tables. Unless you're calculating how many pizzas everyone gets. I know these jokes aren't funny, but you see how laughter breaks the ice instantly? Just like a smile is powerful for first impressions, laughter goes even further. It's universal. You don't need subtitles for it. Let me share my experience. Last year, my friend Maya and I were working on a really difficult math problem. We had been staring at the same equation for what felt like forever, getting absolutely nowhere. The numbers were just a confusing jumble, and both of us were frustrated and ready to give up. That's when I looked down at my drawing pad and noticed a doodle I had made. A tiny, grumpy stick figure with a huge frown, trying to lift up a giant, impossible looking equation. I held it up and said, I think this little guy is the perfect picture of us right now. Maya looked at it, and suddenly she burst out laughing. In that moment, the tension broke. We laughed, we shared a few more silly lines, and when we went back to the problem, our minds felt lighter. And guess what? We solved it together. Now let me ask you this. What was it that completely shifted our energy, made us more creative, and turned frustration into teamwork? The answer is humor. Here are some hidden benefits of humor. A good laugh relaxes your muscles for 45 minutes. Yes, 45 minutes. That's how much most of us can concentrate in maths class. It also releases a happy hormone called endorphin. Basically, the body's way of saying, here, have a free upgrade. It improves blood flow, protects your heart, and even burn calories. Yes, you heard that right. Laughing for 10 to 15 minutes can burn up to 40 calories. So technically, if I laugh all day, I won't need gym class. I mean, who needs crunches when you can just laugh at your friend's bad singing in the shower? Now let me tell you all some friendly advice. True friends will laugh with you, laugh at you, but never laugh alone at you. That's how you know they're real. Humor is like super glue. It makes bonds and most importantly, makes them stick. Think about it. If a new student is sitting alone, just one funny line like, hey, don't worry, teachers only bite on Tuesdays can turn awkward silence into giggles and friendship. Humor is also the ultimate cheat code for communication. Instead of overthinking, what should I say? Should I say hi? Should I say hello? Should I say namaste? Just crack a little joke. Suddenly, people are comfortable. For example, in school, someone says, Ew, this lunch looks weird. You, don't worry, it's probably imported from Mars. Humor also helps in tough times. It's a stress buster. and instant relief. Imagine your teacher says, "There's a surprise test today." Instead of crying, just say, "Surprise, we didn't study either." Okay, maybe don't actually say that unless you want to be permanently surprised with extra homework. But you get my point. Laughter turns tension into lightness. It's like a sunshine in a cloudy day. Before I go, guess what? Laughter. It's free. No tax, no GST, no hidden charges. So remember, laugh often, laugh freely, and laugh loudly. It makes communication easier, friendship stronger, and life a lot brighter. Thank you. And hey, don't forget to laugh out loud.